coffee spot really makes our dreams come true. My first business in my life after my retiring from government employee po. Since our family really loves coffee, coffee lover talaga kami. So actually, I also have one dream to have an aesthetic clinic, but I choose coffee, which I believe really makes our dreams come true. Well, nakita ko siya sa Facebook. And then, my first talaga was BP Chong. Siya talaga yung una kong nakausap. And then, from time to time, palagi na kami nag-uusap. He is so very supportive. Kahit makulit ako, andyan palagi sila. Then, madaling kausapin po. As in, madaling kausapin.
Miss Worldwide, let's celebrate.
First and foremost, a big thank you for the Coffee Spot team, from the management to the staff. Thank you for your unwavering support, encouragement, and belief in our vision. This marks the beginning of something we hope will bring not just good coffee, but also good conversations and community here in Tanawan. So once again, maraming salamat po sa inyo, and we hope you enjoy your time here in La Consorcia Coffee Spot. Cheers to new beginnings.
What you want to do?
Maraming salamat Ma'am Girlie and Sir Dan. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po magkakaroon tayo ulit ng coffee spot dito sa Tanawan, Batangas. Thank you so much po sa pagtitiwala niyo sa amin. This is another historical na mangyayari po dito sa Tanawan, Batangas.
Who represents our brand with heart, charm, and a genuine love, Mr. Daniel Matsunaga.
Una sa lahat, thank you Lord for this weather. Thank you for another blessing, another coffee spot. Coffee spot is doing so well all over the Philippines na. We've been opening so many branches.
Coffee Spot Philippines. You can visit from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Yeah.